Hi guys, here's Marie Stick here, and here is Lewis and Clark's siren again. You can see it right there. I think it's a WPS 2905, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, it's been a while since I've been to this college, but I've been there and I noticed they have two whelens. They went off different times. Last time I videoed the ambience, like the first week of October, but here it is again. I mean, you can see how far it is if I zoom out, but it's right here. Again, it goes off every first Tuesday for their test. It's here in Godfrey. I don't think I'm ever gonna get the video of this other siren, but here it is. Peace.